In a quiet forest, a donkey stumbled upon a lion's skin lying on the ground. He had an idea and decided to wear it. Looking like a lion, he felt powerful as the other animals ran from him. He enjoyed the attention and strutted around the forest like a king. But then, he tried to roar.
Hee-haw!
And everyone recognized that familiar bray. The truth was out. The donkey felt ashamed for pretending to be what he wasn't. Moral: clothes may hide, but words always reveal the truth.